Trigens is a company specializing in manufacturing composite parts and excels in handling large and complex components. Composites are formed by reinforcing fibers impregnated with resin, which starts in a liquid state and undergoes a curing process with the addition of small amounts of catalyst. This transformation results in a robust plastic material that securely holds the fibers in place. In recent years, significant strides were made in our approach by introducing innovative fast-acting catalysts, particularly suited for smaller parts, to expedite the process and enhance the overall quality. Through this development, the company managed to significantly reduce the curing time for a vital automotive industry component from 6 hours to just 1.5 hours. This breakthrough has proven to be highly advantageous, not only in terms of cost-effectiveness but also with regard to its positive impact on the environment. However, this method necessitates precise management in the addition of 3 distinct catalyst types, as they interact with each other critically. Additionally, the implementation of strict COVID-19 safety regulations resulted in the need for robust room ventilation, making temperature control challenging. Consequently, the company had to identify a different resin-catalyst ratio for each temperature, rendering the process intricate and sensitive to follow. In order to overcome these challenges and improve their production efficiency further, we embraced the innovative KYKLOS 4.0 initiative, enabling us to invest in an artificial intelligence project. The primary objective was to obtain rapid and accurate responses concerning the ideal catalyst ratios. With the potential of extending this AI application to various components in the future, the manufacturer enlisted the expertise of a company specialized in AI, iThermi. This partnership led to the installation of a suite of advanced sensors, including thermal and RGB cameras, as well as curing and temperature sensors, which recorded live data during the infusion and curing stages of each part during production. Leveraging the data collected from these sensors, the AI system successfully predicted the optimal catalyst ratio based on the prevailing temperature conditions. By comparing these AI-generated predictions with historical data accumulated over the past 5 years, we validated the accuracy and reliability of the AI's recommendations.
Within the scope of the project, we leveraged the PLM and maintenance scheduler functionalities within KYKLOS. The PLM component played a key role in creating a breakdown of the project by establishing essential instances for the maintenance scheduler, encompassing necessary equipment for executing maintenance tasks and providing comprehensive task definitions. Our solution incorporates dual facets of predictive maintenance, targeting the vacuum pump and the application of mold release agents. By continuously monitoring VIP cycles, the system triggers alerts for timely maintenance intervention by the manager. Subsequently, the manager can articulate essential maintenance tasks within the maintenance scheduler platform, leveraging predefined equipment and task resources from the PLM module and assign these tasks to available technicians.
Looking ahead, the company plans to further refine the AI's capabilities by continuing to train it, with the ultimate aim of acquiring optimal catalyst ratios for diverse and larger parts as well. In conclusion, the collaboration with AI experts and the implementation of cutting-edge technology have marked a significant advancement in their manufacturing process. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, they have managed to streamline and enhance their production capabilities while paving the way for more efficient and effective solutions in the future.